Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open Steam directly to your game library automatically in Settings. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open a new window where you can customize how Steam behaves and configure various preferences. Once the Settings window opens, look at the left sidebar where you'll find different categories for customization. Click on Interface from this list. The Interface section contains options that control how Steam looks and behaves when you use it, including what page appears when you first launch the application. This is exactly where we need to be to change your startup preferences. Now, in the main panel on the right side of the Settings window, navigate to the option called Startup Location. Right beside this label, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu to see the available startup options. From the list that appears, select Library. By choosing this option, you're telling Steam that instead of opening to the default store page, you want it to launch directly to your game library where all your installed and available games are displayed. This saves you time and gets you straight to your games every time you open Steam. After selecting Library from the drop-down menu, you can simply close the Settings window. There's no need to look for a save button because Steam automatically saves this change as soon as you make your selection. The new startup preference is now active and will take effect the next time you launch the application. And that's it. Now, whenever you open Steam, it should start on your library instead of the store page, giving you immediate access to your game collection. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.